Oh, juice time. Sorry.
Me and a brown man. Yeah, baby. Come here, rude boy. Get it! We're it!
Okay. Yep, that's me.
What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. You know it's your girl Sarah, and we are back again with another video. What today's video is about? Coming out the video now. Today we're here with Romelio and Daddy.
See that? So what today?
And Mommy.
So what today video is about? Minces.
Romelio got muffins for his 6 months. I put him a bite me for dear God.
Yeah, muffin the man want my youth. What can you see?
Don't want to finish eating scrum. Romelio is 6 months today, guys.
I eat 2 muffins.
And he might eat up the muffin then. So guys, today we're going to take some picture with him. We shouldn't take him before him eating and mess up himself. We're going to take the same way. We're changing food 2 times.
I thought about me.
I'll pay muffin in your beard.
The papa do them my youth. I'm
going mad.
from one jeans, brother.
Baba. 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 Happy 6 months here, Papa. Happy 6 months here. Yet. You're not give father none? In there?
Oh, juice time. Sorry.
Papa, I didn't have to wake you up for this.
Can I get a dead dog? Think you want to go to stand off by the way?
Romelio? Mommy?
I'm trying to go sleep also. Papa.
So yeah guys, today is 6 months. I'm going to know my 6 months today. So I'll take some pictures, so we'll be showing you all those pictures and videos that we make for him today. Look at the camera now, Papa.
Yo.
Look.
See there? Look at that. Papa, look at that. That's it. See there? Who that? Who that, Papa? Papa.
Look, Papa, look. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. See there? Say hi. Say hello to them 6 months. Hello. Say hi. No, not getting it. Say hola. Hola. ¿Qué pasa?
Someone else still feel sometimes. And a ball and get mad and then you sit there.
That man's a belly shy. Boy, you know what scrum?
No, big. You know what Papa come on and sit in them big. You could have given me peace. You know? Just comes out here. Me didn't even eat that.
Say yeah.
Me two big comes already. Me don't want no more little comes. I got it. I must have fly for them. Sorry. Yeah, people want lifeguards. With people. Yeah. They're not busy with that. That them can't have boat in the world now. Talk to people them. Talk to them.
Yeah, guys. He's okay. He's fully healthy. All kinds of have a little cold, but otherwise I'm not him good. Yes, so this is his outfit that he wears today, and we're gonna take some pictures in that. We're gonna see that later. So stay tuned. If you want to brush off this car,
Brush off a bed. That put on face, boy.
you want to get up and brush off. Yeah, go work so.
Well, remember that time I shot this? Promise days. You think I pull every day? Papa, look, must be flinging your cocks around. Clear and smooth.
Man say, "Where we find him a size cooks to fit him? Where we find him cooks to fit him a size something?"
Boy, look at me for 3 days. We put on a meat. Big food they could find do for them. They find them pensive. Them pensive, Papa.
Yeah, people, if you don't know which part this food there, comment below. Comment below, them say 25,000 for the shirt.
Yeah.
Every time him look at the shirt, him put more price on it.
25.
Dragon, you know, dragon and him apart. But guys, anyway, the baby Romelio there today is his day.
Come my penis.
Romy.
Look.
Say hi to my fans. Say
Look
hi.
Look at this.
Romelio. No, Romy man has some big bubbles them man. Romy and his daddy enjoying themselves.
When I enjoy myself, be man.
Hi Romelio. Romy. Look, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I look around the phone for see me, you know.
Yeah, there's a beer on Canada, there's a man look, man.
Romy, say hi, fans. Say hi.
Bubbles.
Say hello. Romy. Yeah? Yeah. 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 Go take a picture of them before I start sleep again.
I don't know when I sleep in them again, B. It's a busy this when I get busy now. Right.
Okay, so that little sink that you see in Romelio's head, he fell off the bed, and instead of he get a cocoa, he get a sink in his head. Came to the hospital in St. Anne's Bay, they tell me his skull was cracked, but then when I came to the Boston Hospital, they say his skull was perfectly okay, and it is just a swelling around the skin. So the bone in his head alright, and the skull alright. So it's just a little butter blood. Yeah guys, and he's gonna grow it out as he grows. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that it will be okay. Throw him up again.
The guys will get a little bigger. Eh?
Throw him up. Go on again.
How do you do it?
That's my boy. Be a speed that enough, better side. Remy,
Looking at the camera.
Remy, look. Say hi. Say hello.
And that man see cameraman like worm, brother.
Yeah, get a look for you next side.